Namaste students, this is Sudha Sarni from Present Vidya Mandir School. Today our session grade 5, subject is maths, topic is lesson 10 decimal fractions, month is January, week is 4th week, PPT number is part 1 prepared by myself and going to be presented by myself, Miss Elarasi and Miss Visalarchi. Expected learning outcomes. At the end of the session, students will be able to identify face value, place value of the decimals. Number 2, expand decimals using face value, place value. Number 3, represent fractions as decimals and vice versa. Today puzzle. What number should replace the question mark? Answer is 0. Solution. Looking at lines of numbers from the top. 9 8s are 72. 72 8s are 576. 576 into 8. 4608. So 0 is the replace the question mark. What is the decimal fractions? Fractions that have denominators such as 10, 100 or 1000 are called decimal fractions. What is decimals? The fraction 1 by 10 is written as 0.1 using a decimal point. In 0.1, whole number part is 0 and 1 is the decimal part. First, we start with place value table of decimal numbers. 1 by 10. 1 by 10, how can we represent in decimal numbers? 0.1. 1 by 100, 0.01. 1 by 1000, it represents 0.001. Here you know that this whole number, so in decimal point, so here right side is the decimal part and left side part is whole number. Whole number place values, you know that 1, 10, 100, 1000. And in decimal part, place value, we start with tenths. TH you can add, THs. So tens, hundreds, thousands. Look at the shaded portion of the square. So first, how many total parts are there? Yes. So very good, 100 parts and the shaded part 45. So fraction of the shaded portion is 45 by 100. How can we write in decimal? It can be represented in decimals as 0.45. So in tips, I want to give the tips. So first, look at the denominator is 100, isn't it? In how many 0 in 100? How many zeros are there in 100? Yes, 2 0. So first, write the numerator. Numerator is the 45. So denominator is by 100 because it's a decimal, isn't it? So 100, 2 zeros are there. You should count the number from right side. 1, 2 because 2 0. So 1, 2. You count that digit. So 1, 2 digit and put the point. That's all. And this is a 4, 5 is a decimal part and there is no whole part. Whole part there is no means we will put the 0. So 0.45. So it is a step. You just look at the denominator. How many zeros are there? You count the digit from right side. And next, it is written as 4500. 4500 because there is no whole part. So this is 10th place. This is 100th place. So this is a number. How can we write the number name? So 4500. And read as, how can we read? So 0.45. Ma'am, why we don't read 45? So you should not read 45. So after the decimal point, in decimal part, we should read each and every one number separately. So 0.45. This is only correct method. How do we read? Okay, next. So this is already, we know that this is the first place value chart. We should write in the place value chart ones, tens, 100,000. What is the whole number? 0. So 0 in ones place and decimal part tenth, 100,000, and 4 is 10th place, 5 is 100th place. Okay, so first we will write the number 0.4 and 0.79, 4.548. We should write the numbers, all the three numbers first in the place value chart. Okay. So 0 is the whole part and decimal part is 4. So that is 10th place and here in between the decimal point. And next 0.79 and next 4.548. Okay, so the place of 4, the place, what is the place? Place, what is the place? 10th place. Okay, this is 10th place. What is the place value? 4 tenths. You know that safe is the number itself. Now, the place, which place? 10th place and place value 4 tenths. Next. In 0.79, what is the place of 9? What is the place of 9? Hundredths. And what is the place value? 9 hundredths. Next, third number, 4.548. What is the place of 8? 8, what is the place? Thousands. And what is the place value? 8 thousandths. So next, in first one example, decimal numbers, how do we write in expanded form? So 34, we know that as usual method, 30 plus 4. And 0.67, 6 is which place? 10th place. That means 6 by 10 plus 7 is 100th. So 7 by 100. In expanded form in decimals, how do we write in decimals means? The whole number is the same, 30 plus 4. 6 by 10 means, because 10 and only 1 0, so you just count the digit from right side, so 0.6. And here 7 by 100, 100 means, so you count the digit from right side, 1. There is no another number, so we will put the 0. So 0.07. So now we start to write the another two examples. 7.23. How do we write it? The whole number is 7 and decimal part 2, 3. So 2 by 10 and plus 3 by 100. And how can we write? How do we write in the expanded form in decimals? The whole number is the same, 7, and 2 by 10, 0.2 plus 3 by 100 means 0.03. And another one, the last example, okay, 28.145. How do we write? 28 means 20 plus 8 plus 1 by 10 plus 4 by 100 plus 5 by thousands. And here, how do we write in decimal? The whole number is the same, 20 plus 8 plus 1 by 10. How do we write? 0.1 plus 4 by 100. 0.04 plus 5 by 1000. How do you write? 0.005. Because in 1000, 0. So I just counted from right side. 1, 2, 3 and put the point. Okay. At last one, represent the convention in fractions and then in decimals. A few have been done for you. 25 paise and 25 paise. How do we write in the decimals? Means first, what is the connection in between paise and rupees? So 1 rupee equal to 100 paise. So 25 by 100. So 25 by 100. How do we write in decimals? Because the denominator is 100 to 0. We need to count it number. Okay. So first write the 25. Okay. So first write the 25 and count the digit from the right side. 1, 2 digit because 2, 0. 1, 2 and put the point. That's all. So what is the answer? 0.25 rupees. 0.25 rupees. And next, 725 milliliter. So what is the relationship between the liters and milliliter? What is the connection? 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. So 725 divided by 1000 liters. So how do we write in the decimals? First write the number 725 and in thousands how many 0? 1, 2, 3. So we should count the digit 1, 2, 3. Then put the point 0. So what is the answer? 0.725 liters. And next, what is the connection in between centimeter to meter? 1 meter equal to how many centimeter? Yes, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 65 by 100. How do you write the number? First write the 65 and denominator is 100. So 2, 0. 1, 2. Then put the point 0. So 65 centimeter equal to 0.65 meter. And next, last sum, 525 grams and kg. So what is the connection? 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 525 divided by 1000. So what is the answer? First write the number 525. So 1000 is a 30. Count the digit 1, 2, 3. 3 digits. So put the point 0. 0.525 kg. So 525 grams equal to 0.525 kg.
Follow-up work. Collect a few food packets or bottles. Look at the nutritions listed on the outside. List the nutritions with decimals in the space provided. Summary of the session. Place value the digits in of decimals. Number 2. Representation of fraction as decimals and vice versa. Thank you for watching this wonderful video. Thank you all.